Hi guys, it's Wade McMaster here. I've got 7 affiliate marketing tips for beginners today that I want to share with you. Something to help you get ahead a little bit quicker and kickstart your affiliate promotions so you can start making more money online. So let's get started. Now the first tip is to really focus on selling benefits instead of features. Now you don't want to necessarily hide the features and not talk about them at all, but by selling the benefits or the results of something, people will actually start to think, oh, this is the product that I'm looking for. Because people don't necessarily want to know about what the product has. They don't want to know how many pages an ebook has or certain things unless they're really looking for them. But if you actually start to promote the results, people actually start to see exactly what the product produces. And also that's it. The benefit and the results are actually what people are looking for. At the end of the day, people aren't looking for tools, they're looking for the end result. And the tool is the middleman to get to that result. So by talking about the results and mentioning the tool, you actually sort of overstep and really get people what they're looking for instead of just talking about the tool itself and leaving the result as a mystery. So make sure you talk about the benefits and the results of the product before you go into the features, so that way people know exactly what they can get out of this product that you're promoting. Now the second one is a very basic one. It is to cloak your affiliate links. Now this is, in some affiliate marketing places you can't do this. I don't think you can actually cloak with Amazon. I don't think they allow it. But what it can do is you can take a long, ugly link that can scare people away, because a lot of people hover over that link, and if they see that the link looks a little bit dodgy, they might not click, or they might even remove your affiliate ID from the link if they don't want to give you a commission. So cloak your affiliate links. It's quite easy. You can create short, easy to promote links, because then instead of having this long, massive link with a series of numbers, you can have your domain.com/product and have it link off to that. Makes it easier to promote and also makes it more trustworthy upon that first look. Now the way you can do that if you're using WordPress is to download a plugin called PrettyLink. Now with PrettyLink you can go in, you can click add a link, put the address into the target URL, and then give it the short sort of extension at the end, and then you can just create that link and your website will then create what's called a shorter link for that, and it will stay there until you remove it. Now the third tip is to build trust, because there's a lot of people out there trying to get money from people and for very low value products, or even trying to scam people and steal their money. So people are very on edge about giving out money online or paying for things. So what you want to do is build trust. And there's a few ways you can do this. One is to simply offer a lot of value through your website. Be transparent if you can, put yourself on there. Make sure you make things as real as possible. Try to cut out the middleman, which is your website, and get people to see you and see what you're doing, so that way they can really see who you are. Now another way you can do this is to create an email list, because on average I believe I've heard that the 7th interaction is when people are willing to sort of go, oh yeah, okay, and buy. So by having a number of interactions in your email list, you then people get used to you, they start to trust you, but you become familiar, and that mistrust barrier starts to wear down a bit, and you can more easily recommend a product, which you obviously want to do honestly, and that way people are more likely to buy and say, oh okay, yep, I trust this person is using this product, I've seen the results that he's had, I trust this product, I trust this person, I can click through. So simply being transparent, make sure you look professional, and having an email list is a great way to build more trust and therefore sell more affiliate products. Another tip is to go for high commission items, or if you're going to go low commission, go high volume items. Now the way this works is if you have trouble selling a particular product that's $100 and you get a $3 commission, you might be struggling to make any money out of that product because you're constantly pushing this product that people might not buy so much, and then when you do finally sell, you get $3. Now imagine if you could take a product like that sells only maybe a few times a week, and you got a $70 commission. That's something that's possible. If you're using ClickBank or you're selling products that are primarily online, you might turn what could be, if you had made 10 sales a week, $30. If you turn those 10 sales into $70 commissions, that's $700 a week instead of $30. So going for a high commission product is a great way to make more money. Now, if your niche doesn't have these products and is more physical in nature, what you can do is sell products that are people are likely to buy more often, they might have a lower commission, but if they're buying more often, or if there's a recurring payment, and some affiliate programs have recurring commissions, that is another way that you can consistently build your income. Even though even though you're getting small commissions, the frequency is what allows you to go up. So by selling more frequent lower commission products, you can also make money. So you want to find that balance between frequency and commission in order to make a good living, because if you're selling hard to sell products with a low commission, you're just not going to get anywhere anytime soon. Now, another tip is to create tutorials. If you're selling a digital product or if you're selling a physical product, it's great to be able to create a tutorial how to do something with a specific tool, because some people out there are looking to create something or do it or have a certain project, and they need to know exactly if they can do it with a tool that they're investigating. So if you simply talk about a tool and go, oh, hey, look, you can build a website with this host, and you don't show any of the tips, some people might be a bit scared and go, oh, I don't really know if that's what I want. But if you show step by step exactly how to do that, it's the same if you're, selling a certain type of tool for something physical. If you show people exactly how to reach a result with that tool by going through and doing a tutorial, exploring the benefits of the tool and how the tool works, then people know that they can achieve that exact result with the tool because you've done it, you've showed them how to do it, and then they will probably refer back to that tutorial later because they will want to use it step by step in order to get the result they're after. So create tutorials. It's a great way for people to understand if the product will do exactly what they want it to do, and it'll also help them perform and actually get the result that they want. Now, probably the most important tip I want to push is to be honest. So you don't want to simply get any product you've never used. You don't want to promote a product and say it's perfect when it's not. You want to get products that are real, and you want to make sure that if there are weaknesses, you point them out. But if you want to make sure you get that sale when you're pointing out a weakness, you can also discuss workarounds, ways that you can get the same result by working around the weakness, or a way to fix the weakness. So be honest about what you're talking about, because people have got their radar up. When you say everything is perfect, they tend to not trust you, and that's when the trust barrier wears down. So being 100% honest about your reviews, making sure you use the product yourself, and having that transparency makes things more believable, and people can make a more educated decision, and therefore they're more likely to buy. So number one is be honest. If you're not honest in this marketplace, then you're one of those people giving affiliate marketing a bad name and making it harder for everyone to make money with this method. So definitely being honest is the most important thing that you can do. But my final tip is to take action. If you don't do anything, you will never get anywhere. So get out there, take action, start a website, email newsletter, find some products, and start promoting, because the only way you'll learn is through experience. So by taking action, that ensures you actually do get somewhere. If you never take action, it's impossible to get any results. Now, because of that, it's a bit hard to sort of remember everything. So once again, I've created a blog post, which I will link to below. It has a list of tips that you can use, 40 plus tips to use with your affiliate marketing, and you can go through, check them out one by one, and create a bit of a hit list, and that way you can better improve your chances of making more money online with affiliate marketing. So the link to that is on the screen here, but it's also in the description below, and I hope you find that one useful, because it is a great resource for learning how to make more money with affiliate marketing. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. If you did, please consider giving it a like below or subscribing to my YouTube channel. Otherwise, I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you next time.